Right, welcome guys to another little session. I'm in Amuse Time again. I'm still with OAB. I'm going to start on the blueprint this evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time of day it is. Yeah, WWE fan, you requested original Fishing Frenzy, so I'm going to start on this for you, mate. 50p stake. Everyone knows the script on this. Where's the sound? There it is. I can hear it just about. 3 of them in view. Go on then. That'd have been a cracking start. So yeah, there's your win values there. 3 scatters needed, obviously in view. And we'll go from there. But yeah, I know you requested this one, mate, so here it is. While I've got you all there, please hit the thumbs up. That's a decent spin. 15 quid. Yeah, please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy the stream. It helps YouTube push my channel further. And also hit the subscribe button, please, if you haven't already. It costs nothing and it does me a massive favour. So thanks for that. Yeah, very much appreciated. Check out my merch shop if you want to as well. A link to that's in the description. There's mugs, hats, key fobs, whatever. Stuff like that. So go and have a little look around there if you get a moment. Anyway, back to this game. I'll stop rambling about YouTube stuff. Yeah, it's very quiet, this terminal. Yeah, hopefully I'll bring you back to the scatters, ladies and gents. Go on then. Nah, second tee's missed. Another decent base win there. 550. Right, I'll bring you back in a sec. I mean, to be fair to this, it's been keeping me hovering around the 50, 55 quid mark. Done loads of little base wins of a fiver and 450s, whatever. I've had a few more teases since I cut you off. Obviously, it hasn't landed yet. Hopefully, we'll get the... go on, Mega Tease. Yeah, get in there. Right, there you go, WWE fan. This is for you, mate. Let's hope it's a good one. 10 spins. Frankie catches the fish. Fish? Oh. £6, £7. Don't mind if he keeps landing, to be fair. Fish? 5 there at least. Halfway through. Come on, find one of them big fish. £2.50. Don't hurt yourself. Final spin. It's alright. To be fair, that ain't bad at all. 30 quid. 28.75, that'll do. That ain't bad at all. Go on then. Straight back. Oh, get in there. Next Press Express. Another 10 spins for you. Same again, will do. Land. Where were you there? Look at these base spins. Honestly, that's another tenner. Where was he though? Come on, mate, where are you? That's alright. Very nice. Get in there. Big pony. 40 quid. Good choice this was, mate. Thanks for the request. It's alright, it's another couple of quid. Fish. Oh, it's alright, it's 20 quid. And a line of kings. And some of them and all. How much is that? 7.50. That was a great spin. 80 quid this feature's gone for. Land. Get in there. It's a massive feature. Yeah, it's over a wanna. Yeah. 118 quid. Final spin. Get mental. 119.25. Get in there. Yeah, wasn't it? Yeah. That was a sweet feature, that was. Straight after that other one. 200 quid in the bank. Very nice indeed. Jeez, that's loud. Huh? That's loud, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, I think I'll play a couple more out on this and I'll move on to another game. That's cracking result on this. Oh look, could have done a line of them for a oneer. Done it from C3 to be fair. That'll do, 199 quid. Right, I'll bring you back on the next one. Very nice indeed. Right, I've come off that blueprint, 200 quid out of there. I've put 40 in here, 50p stake. Secrets and Memon. Oh yeah, golden flame bonus on as well. See if we can get a couple of little wheels on this. Yeah, that was cracking, that fishing frenzy on that one. 3 of them needed for a natural. Can't be an absolute bastard to land this. But we'll give it a bash. Right, I'll bring you back if and when something happens. See you in a sec. First wheel. Times 1. Cracking. Down the middle. See it. Let's go for a double. He's in. 8 spins. He's out. Yeah, I'll crack on again, see if we can land another one of them golden flame bonuses. And I'll bring you back in a second. An expansion. Anything up top? And a feature, yeah. 3 symbols plus. You don't get the spin, do you, on that though? No. It's a shame. That's a good shout. Yeah. So every time he lands in view, we're in a great deal there. Nice. Just need him to keep landing like so, and hopefully appear above. A little bit of money. Some of these blues as well. It's cost £15.25 to land, so it ain't too bad. That's alright, he's in again. If he lands on reel 3, that'd be ideal. No. Got some eyes at the top though. It's alright, I don't mind if he keeps landing. 20 quid. There he is again. Again, there's some money there to be fair to it. Another 7, 8, 9 quid, something like that. Nice. There he is again. Yeah, he's in there. That's handy. That's a decent spin, that. Got a lot of eyes down there and a lot of eyes at the top. And there's a fiver. Decent spin. This is where the money is. You got double and you got the eyes on both. So 50 quid, £69.50. Very nice feature though, either way. Final spin. 5 more? No, that's it. Cannot grumble with that though. 70 quid, the best part of. Very nice indeed. Right, that was nice, yeah. I'll give it a couple of spins. There it is again, alright. It's another, well, it's a spin on the golden flame. So what we got? 6 quid to the wheel. Come on, decent multiplier. Times 4, too. Wow. I'm going to have a look at the gamble. I might just collect that, though, after that other feature. Nah, do you know what? I'm moving on. 24 quid more. I'll take that. Couple of spins down to 115. I could gamble for 12 spins here and it could pay less than 20 quid. Yeah, that'll do on that. Right, I'll bring you back on the next game. See you in a sec. Right, next one's going to be Frankenstein, 50p stake. See if we can land some spins on this. Or an It's Alive symbol. Get one of them cash pots up top. And It's Alive in. £5. Plus a line of aces. Right, double. Six. Straight for 25. Oh, you bastard. Nice early gamble though. Had to have a shot. Early doors. Well, I'll bring you back next time the It's Alive symbol lands in view. Yeah, see you in a sec. Next It's Alive's landed. Line of queens up top. Similar to the other gamble, about 6 quid. Yeah, 6.25. Let's go straight for 8s. Okay. What did I go for last time? 25, wasn't it? 25. Go on in. It's not having it. Second time it's missed. Be nice to get 25 spins out of it, to be fair. Still just over a $1 in the bank. No point gambling that. Right, I'll bring you back. Next chance. Next It's Alive symbol. It's only 2 quid on. 2.25. 9 quid. Nah, nowhere near at that time. Down at 95 in the bank. Come on. Pretty pointless gamble. Right, I'll bring you back next time something happens. 4th one. There's a couple of spins up there. 4 spins. Right, so we got £3.50 and 4 bonus spins. 4 free spins. Need re-triggers. There he is, look. Right, 4 free games. £3.50. 90 quid exactly in the bank. Need miracles. Stand back a little bit so you can see the whole screen in case it expands. Right, it's another 2 spins. No cash. Land. Bastard. Ain't doing much this, is it? Wow. That's horrendous. £5.25. 175 within the feature. Cracking. Down the middle. Nah. I think I'll move on off that. I've had a feature. 90 quid in the bank. I'll bring you back on something else. Well, I've come over to Wild Fever. Let's give this a little bash with that 90 quid. 50p stake. 3 bonus symbols. Go on then, first press. That would have been lovely. Yeah, 3 bonus symbols needed in view for a feature. I think it's 8 spins, or is it 10? I can't remember. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah, three spins, 3 bonus symbols required in view. Triggers the spins. And I'll bring you back if I get a decent gamble. So yeah, see you in a sec, guys. Bring you in for a quick update. It's had about 20 quid. Not had any other teasers or any other gambles so far. But yeah, it really is taking the piss. I'll crack on with it for a bit longer. Hopefully bring you back to a gamble at least, if nothing else. Have a look at this gamble. Shame there weren't some on reel 4. £3.50. Down the middle. Nope. Wild Fever ain't having it. I'll play it for another tease or two and I think I'll just move on again to another game. So yeah, I'll bring you back if and when something happens. Yeah, this Wild Fever's taking the piss a bit. I'm going to put it down to 40 quid and move on, I think, to another game. Just ain't doing anything. It's had 50 quid, I think. I've had a couple of teases, but obviously hasn't landed. Would have been nice to have seen a feature on it. I've not even had any decent gambles, to be fair. Yeah, shame. It feels like they've tightened this game up a little bit of late. Oh, I'll play at least 10. See what the 10 does, and then we'll move on after that. Where was the wild in there? I'll give us one more tease in these 6. Couple of queens. Yeah, last couple on this, I'll move on. Taking the piss a bit, but can't win on them all. Last spin. Right, I'll bring you back on something else. See you in a sec. Right, let's try a bit of Thai flour. Why not? 50p stake with the Tide Treasures bonus turned on. See if we can add a wheel or two on this. Maybe even a feature. Still just 40 quid in on this terminal. I put 40 in the blueprint and got 2 out of that. So it's all good at the moment. Let's see a quick wheel on this. This is another one that was requested. I can't for the life of me remember the name of the person who requested it, but yeah, this is for you. Hopefully we can add a wheel, like I say, or even a natural. 3 flowers in view needed. Right, I'll bring you back first time I get a wheel. Oh, you tight bastard. Close. Yeah, see you in a sec. First spin, £1.50. 15, please. Oh, really? Times 1. Cheers. Yeah, first spin, big £1.50. Down at 20 quid in the bank. No teases yet for that is a spin. £1.25 just. Come on, let's see spins. 10, 8. 8 will do. It's a spin, it's features. Let's see her, the elephant, and the mansion, please. Ain't asking much. Her will do. Oh, really? Okay. Her. shit symbols. Gonna struggle to get a tenner on this. At least it didn't cost loads, I suppose. A line of them pots is £12.50. It's only 8 spins. It's pretty lousy, isn't it? Unless it's £12.50 there, to be fair. Alright, rescued itself there. Final spin. It's not a disaster. Score, bang on the nose. I'll play at least 6 with you and then I'll move on to something else. Back level. I've only put 40 quid in the terminal, like I say, so it's not a disaster. Oh, king there. Yeah, last couple on this and I'll move on. Yeah, that'll do on that. Right, I'll bring you back on the next game. Right, next one's going to be High and Mighty Spartacus. Yeah, 40p, go for that, that'll do. Let's see if we can add a wheel or two on this. Massive reels on this. £0.26. You need that fully in view to expand across to the wad, to the big reels. Like that. Anything there? Not really. That ain't enough. Just some hearts. 32p's worth. Yeah, I'll crack on with this and hopefully bring you back to the first chance for wheel. See you shortly. Is that a wheel? No, it still wasn't quite a wheel. Unbelievably. Down at 31 quid. Natural? No. Well, I'll bring you back in a sec. That's a decent spin. Got a few of him there and a little bit up there. Don't know how much that's going to be, but it ain't bad. 4.46 to the wheel. Take a times 5 here, please. $20 spins. Alright, we'll take that. 20 spins will do. Can it do anything special? That's the question. Need loads of wads in. On the left hand side, please. Couple of spades for £1.46. Bus fare home. No, we need more than one. About £2. Yeah, we need 3 wilds on the left hand side ideally. That'd be nice. Running out of time here. See what I mean? I've taken the times 5 all day long. It's the spin values. There's 2 in. Alright. Decent symbol down the middle. That's alright actually. Couple of him there. Couple of her down the bottom. Ain't a bad spin that. £10.60. Even that's only £8. Doing a lot there. 70p. Oh wow, alright then. Decent symbol on reel 2. Oh, where was he at the top? Mate, if he was at the top that'd have been massive. It's down there. Again, it's a decent spin that. 24.02, alright. 5 spins left. At least we saw 3 wads in, that was decent. Has anyone ever seen 5? I haven't. There's 2 in. Some diamonds in the middle there, to be fair. Another 4 or 5 quid. Right, last couple. Clubs. Final spin. That's alright, that'll do. 28.86. Cannot grumble with that, to be fair. Look at that, look what 50 spins is worth. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Puts us back to 50, 54, 55 quid, something like that. Nice little count out. Loves it, doesn't it? 28.86. Right, then I'll scoot one spin for luck. And that'll do on that. Right, 52 quid. I'll bring you back on the next game. Right, let's have a look on this gnome run. Not really a fan of it, but again, somebody requested it, so 50p stake. See if we can get a feature or a gamble on it or something. So you need 3 gnomes in, reels 1, 3 and 5, like that. 3 of them in for a natural. And it can do that. Random wilds now and again. Yeah, I'll give it a couple of quid. See if we can slam all them random wilds here. 3 of them in. Required. I think that's a big symbol, that snail. But yeah, we will see. Gnome Run. It's quite a fun feature, this, but can be quite hard to land. Right, I'll bring you back if and when something happens. Bring you back in time for that. Don't know whether it's going to be anything decent. I mean, looks alright. There's a couple of snails there, to be fair. And it's a bell ring. How much is this going to be? £10.65. So there's 3 gnomes. Let's go for 4. $12 is the max. Go on. $5. Get in there. 12 gnomes. There you go. There's max spins or max gnomage. So max gnomes on 50p stake. So yeah, 6 gnomes here. And you need to get across the drink. Decent start. Alright, that's 1 through to the next level as well. So he's dead. Well, that was a good one. It's a fun game, this. Yeah, alright, we got another one through. Another 3 quid. Come on. Yep, final one. Oh, find your way. Oh, you tight bastard. Right, so them 2 there go on to the next level. Avoid the lawnmowers. Come on. Ah, what? 12. Alright, decent money. It's alright, it's 22 quid there, so. Now we got the other 6. That was brilliant, that one. Come on, let's get 1 across at least. Yeah, alright. We got 1 over. So we are going back to the lawnmowers. All the way top. All the way top. Yeah, get in there. Big number. 12. Get in. 66 quid. Another straight death. Any chance of you making it, mate? Any chance at all? Go on. Yeah. And another 5, so we've got 3 across. Right. Decent set of 12 this, I've got to admit, on 50p stake. That was good. Straight death. Come on, make it. Oh, last chance then. Last chance saloon, come on. Go on. Ah, oh, you tight bastard. 35 quid there. 82 quid, I can't grumble with that though. 50p stake. Very nice indeed. Never in doubt at all. Very nice. Yeah, 40 quid in, 40 minutes played. Yellow screen of death. I'll give it 1 spin and I'll move on, I think. Very nice indeed. Right, I'll bring you back to one last game. See you in a sec. Right, last game, it's going to be just rewards on this session. 119 in the bank, 50p stake again. Let's have a look at that straight off the bat. It's a fiver. Be nice to get about 12 spins, 15 spins, something like that. Take 15. Nah. Worth a go. What, the 500 one?
Check if you got money in that marshals on your
I will in a sec, yeah. What, the 5 real one? I haven't seen that for years on these.
No, it's not. It's on the current, isn't it?
It's on that one. Fair play. Nice, yeah, have a look at the pots, yeah. Yeah, I'll, you need 3 of them scatters, obviously, for a feature. And I'll bring you back to any decent gambles or hopefully a land. I'll see you in a sec. Bring you back in for a little update. Down at 88 quid. Ain't done much again, to be honest with you. I had that £5 gamble at the start. Have had virtually nothing since. Very few and far between on teases as well. Until right now, just fell off. Just doesn't want to find it. See how these couple with you. There's a little gamble there, 2 quid. Straight for 3. Yeah, it's not having it. I'll crack on with it and we will see what happens. Just above Mega T's, literally just there. Or at least it's landed. Okay, finally. It's cost about, I don't know, 30 quid, 35 perhaps. Anyway, 10 spins has been awarded. Let's go. Yeah, we need him in for more spins and another section to collect cash in. That's a shame that doesn't move to one of the empties. I'll take the spin though. 5 down the bottom, another spin. Great bit of trumpet action. 5. Oh, we need symbols in. Big £2.50. Come on, let's farm on them 25 quidders. Next door. Another spin though, 6 spins remaining. Another spin. Again, he's just outside. £5. Alright. Be nice to get back to a 1 in the bank. Another spin, alright. Another box as well. Nothing. Come on. Not dead spins. That's alright, another 2 spins and £2.50 and another box. Come on, 15 quidder, that's alright. 34 plus that £1.50 at the bottom. Come on, 2 more spins. Any more, 3 more, another 4 quid, final spin coming up. That ain't bad, £45.50. That is not bad at all. 50p stake, I'm only 40 quid in, don't forget, ladies and gents. 120 in there. Right, I think I'll just give it a couple of quid and I'll probably just call it a day there, I think. Nice profit on the session. Like I say, yeah, I'm 40 quid in, so I'll see at least 20 with you and I will call it a day. Unless anything else lands, would be nice. Big shout out to OAB Gambling Channel as well, who's met me down here for this little session. Very nice time we've had in here. It's a nice little venue, to be fair. Like I say, please remember to hit that thumbs up button for me as well. It doesn't cost anything and it shows a lot of support, helps the channel get pushed through YouTube. So yeah, much appreciated. It's a tenner there. Let's have a look at that gamble. Double. Double's in. Nine. 9 is out. I nearly went double again. It's a shame. Right, yeah, a couple of spins. Down to 115, I'll bail. Like I say, I'm happy with that. 40, £75 profit, that'll do me. Final spin. Yeah, very nice indeed. £75 profit on the day on this terminal, and I won a load out of the blueprint as well. So what's that? That's 40, 160. So I'm 230 up on this session alone. Yeah, I think I've worked it out correctly. I don't know. But yeah, it's been a good session either way. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for your support. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care. See you later.